Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking you through how to perform a capture and refund or reversal from your PrestaShop backend and what the difference is between a refund and a reversal. To start off, you'll need to log into your PrestaShop Admin and navigate to Orders. We'll start off with how to perform a capture. Find the transaction you're looking to capture and make sure that the status is on hold. Select it. In the top menu, you will see the option to capture pre-authorization. Select this. Please note that captures from PrestaShop will be for the full amount, and if you wish to do a partial capture, you will need to use the Truevo portal. Once the capture is complete, you'll get a success message and the transaction information and messages will update accordingly. Next, let's talk about reversals and refunds. So what's the difference? A reversal occurs when the funds from a transaction are returned to a customer before the payment has cleared. This means that the reversal request was performed the same day that the transaction took place, before midnight, CET or CEST. For this reason, reversals are also the full transaction amount, and it will be if the transaction never occurred. Whereas a refund occurs when the funds from the transaction are returned to a customer after the payment has cleared. Because the transaction has been completed and the refund is a new transaction, the transaction amount can be fully or partially refunded and will show up as a separate transaction on the customer's bank account. To do a reversal, navigate to PrestaShop, Orders, and find a transaction from today that has the status processing. Click on it. On the top menu, there will be an item called Reverse Order. Click on it. Once completed, you'll get a success message and the transaction information will update accordingly. To do a refund, navigate to PrestaShop, Orders, and find a transaction that is at least 1 day old and that has the status processing. Click on it. On the top menu, there will be an item called Refund Order. Click on it. You'll now have the option to say how much the refund is for and how many items are being refunded and give a note if you wish. Once completed, you'll get a success message and the transaction information will update accordingly. This will take 3 to 5 days to show in the customer's bank account. Looking for more information about a transaction? Open the order and scroll down to the Messages section. Here, you'll see the information about the transaction, such as the status and the transaction ID. If the status is complete, the payment has been successfully processed.